Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the easy photorealism formula in Midjourney. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. To start, go to midjourney.ai. You can generate this image by using the prompt cute curly hair girl, cute cat, and rose background. Version 5.1, style raw, S250. Then, you will automatically generate these four pictures here. There's a curly hair girl, a cute cat, and a rose background. You can choose either of the four. Now, let's try to generate images again using simple prompt. A beautiful, fashionable girl makes a fitting summer dress with flowers. The shopping mall in the background, ultra realistic. AR 16 by 9. Next, you can use this prompt, a beautiful, fashionable, smiling girl in a fashion summer dress with flowers, sunglasses, selfie, trendy, summer, sunshine. Then the summer flowers in the background, ultra realistic. AR 16 by 9. This one is so simple, nature background with white dress, pretty fashion girl. In every prompt you generate, Midjourney.ai will give you four choices. A celestial theme with cosmic elements and ethereal colors, invoking a sense of wonder and mystique. Softly illuminated by celestial lighting, design graphic, vector, contour, white background. Then, you will see this generated image here. You can also try this one, light orange and white, e-commerce selling dim sum, 4K, AR 3x2, V4, stylized 1000. How about this one? Red and white, traditional cuisine restaurant e-commerce channel selling sweet and sour pork baby ribs. 4K, VR 3x2, V4, stylized 1000. And there are some images here that are generated by using this prompt. You can generate this dog by using the prompt, an image with a dog with the right eye blue and the left eye brown. And yes, as simple as that. Then, you can also try this. Group of kids wearing white while singing around a campfire. Or, you can try this. Zelda characters, hyper-realistic 4K version 5. Now, if you want to generate image, click here on message. Then type /imagine. Then wait for this box to appear. Click on that. And here, you can now type your prompt. For example, a cute light yellow cat with big blue round eyes. Click enter. And there we have our generated image. We have four choices here, but we can also choose four of them. Now, if you don't want the generated images, you can always click here to regenerate the prompt. You can click on that 10 times or even 100 times. Now, you can also generate things like this. You can use the prompt black frame, white solid color background, poster of Nordic modern abstract art for living. Four colors gray, pink, blue, black, circle, rectangle, 3D, 8K, octane render, wide angle lens, high detail, sharp focus, bright light. AR 100 by 141, then test P. And then you can also generate houses like this. For example, a pretty little old stone house in a magnificent botanical garden. You can use this prompt, pretty little old stone house in a magnificent botanical garden full of flowers in autumn. Trending on ArtStation, sharp focus, studio photo, intricate details, highly detailed by Greg Rutkowski. Then, you have to remove this from image. Blurry, bad anatomy, extra limbs, poorly drawn face, poorly drawn hands, and missing fingers. Now let's try this photorealistic image. You can use the prompt, gorgeous 23rd century woman, glamorous clean face, showing in 4K format, intricate work of magical art, movie poster, in CG society, trends, complex, epic, from European, very detailed bright, stage rendering of the character, super high quality model, beautiful face, background in style. Now, remove this from the image, black and white, bad art, high contrast, bad hands, clones, double heads, 3D, render, clone teeth, blurry, bad anatomy, extra limbs, poorly drawn face, poorly drawn hands, and missing fingers. Then, you can see the result. You can create photorealistic images in Midjourney.ai. And you can also join the Discord like this. For that, you can see the works of others. You can have a conversation with other members and learn from them. You can also start generating a photorealistic images in Midjourney.ai by using the prompt, a photo. Yes, you can start your prompt by typing a photo, like a photo of cat, a photo of girl, and so on. And that's how you can create photorealism in Midjourney. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.